omugendo mishono kutebekanisa bwo mweloko ogwa Expo 2027 obwa hatiya Dr. Bishop Silas Tayebwa n'abandi bantu batari bamwe na bamwe abari mu sekte y'byobushubuzi barje no kutayiraho office ya Minister Evelyn Anite okwasaganira nangwa no kajana hashonga zimwe na zimwe nahi bargireyo bakamweta kwabasa kwije mu ryogwe omweloko gwo kwenda kubaho mu rurembo rwambara abiri byokwezi 21 nebyo kwezi kwa mukago mwako gwenye no gw'ikume 24 ahebyo kurambara ibyo bushuburo kandi nangwa n'ibyamakoro birabibeho mu rurembo rwambara.
We are so grateful that this day we have been hosted by our only friend and a wonderful woman of God, Honorable Anite. We love you so much, and we have come with expectation because we want to make Angkor a different thing in development, in lifting talents, in raising the courage of seeing ourselves moving international. And we want to thank God so much that today we have been received in this place, and we are going to work together to see exhibition, see all the trade show and business rising up, all the talents rising up in Angkor. And therefore, we want to say thank you for accepting our invitation, and we are looking for on 21st June. It will be different in Mbarara. You are welcome.
Minister Evelyn Anite hona nawe yargayo no kwikiriza ariko jangu abiro yo kwezi 21 ebyo kwezi kwa mukaga naija kwija omwero kogugura beguri mu rurembo rwambara akugira ngo abase korebe byonna birabembyerekwa nangwa n'abanya Uganda na munonga omujyange cya Ankole ekiba kwenda kwerekana barhomba kora.
And I want to say that it is not about just spreading the gospel. It is about spreading the good news of God, but also I've learned from Bishop that he has to spread both the good news of God, but also getting people out of poverty and wealth creation. So they've extended to me an invitation to come and meet the local investors in the Mbarara, in the Ankole sub-region on the 21st of June. I will surely be there. By the grace of God, I will surely be there, because it's amazing the work that God is doing through His children in the Ankole sub-region, making these wonderful cups, these wonderful cups that they're doing, and the banana crisps. This is out of our own gonja, which we call plantain. You can call it gonja or plantain. It's such a wonderful concept.
Aljeno kugira ngo bwahati ecyanga cya Ankole ncerga mu bintu nyamwinji kandi nabwecho nicyo cyarizere kunuya ngo habo kubano bakwata bitoki bakora mu bintu byo muhendo.
And as you all know that banana does very well in the Ankole region. So my Lord Bishop Silas, yes, you can count me as one of your disciples to make sure. And everyone who is watching GNTV, yes, please keep on watching, because God is going to do His miracles through GNTV, and we will get out of poverty, and we will surely be children of God.
Amen. Wonderful.
Mbarara City Festival hona neje kuba habiro yo kwezi 21 ebyo kwezi kwa mukaga 2024 kandi neje kuba yo mu rurembo rwambara ahebyo mishuburo ebyo makorro kandi nangwa nebyo kurambura nibyija kwarwa omunkuto mu rurembo rwambara okugira ngo abantu bakabasa kwerebera bagure kandi nangwa nabingi bahagere ebyo mishuburo omucyange cya Ankole.
I will be there. Please be there, my people of Mbarara, because I will surely be there.
Za asimwe ahabwa GNTV agarukosye
Nokongera kusima Bishop Dr. Silas abo munono njogwa ryona akora omukuru y'entungu ko muhangari ya Uganda twagumizamo amakuru agandi orukwebembera ekibiina kya FDC kandi yargayo kano Dr. Kizza Besigye nokushaba bebembezi ebibiina ebindi eby'orubaju oruhakanisa gavumenti n'ingabinja barukwaito oruhabura gavumenti okurengo bayeterana hamwe bona kuzo mu kigombe kimwe ngobwe ndwe barabashikirwe okuhigura obwa hato buteje cy'oburuho bwa NRM kandi no mwebembezi wabo ow'ekitinisa Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tubahaburu ebyona yabigamba obiyabari omuchanga ekyamasaka arigamba n'abahagizi aba FDC katubirebe
lutalo luno lw'okulunu n'okuluwangula luno si lutalo lwa bibiina njagala tutegeeragane olutalo lw'ensi yonna eyawambibwa terulwanibwa bibiina lulwanibwa abawambe bonna nga beegatiddewa tukitegeera tuli fenna nti fenna tuyina kano sike kaseera akokwawulamu nze ndi wa bulu nze ndi wa red nze ndi wa green green yeri mukomera bulu yeri muki red eri muki mukomera kano ke kadde akabuli omu kukwatagana ne munne kusikangana mu mikono ne tusonga nga tuli kintu kitya kimu tuyina okulwana ne propaganda wabali kubanga propaganda kyekimu ku bitusibidde mu mbeera gye tuwangaliramu ekyokusatu kye bakozesa tulemere mu mbeera eno kugabanyisamu abantu kubagabanyamu n'okubakonaganya kugabanyamu abantu abali mu buwambe n'okukola ki n'okubakonaganya mwenna muli mukomera naye abali mukomera ne mutandika kukola ki kukonagana nze kyesaagala kuwulira ennaku zino be banaffe abatusuubiza tugende mu kalulu 2026 mu 6 n'ebizibu ebikajjuddemu ng'ekintu tusobola kukimala yaddi tusobola okukimala na leero so nze kyembasaba amaaso mugajeeri mugateeke wano buli omu yeekolemu omulimu tujeeye ekizibu mu nsi kisobokera ddala era tujja kukikola okirabe eggwanga abantu miliyoni 4 tusobola tutya okukkiriza famire emu neetufuga famire emu
okusookera ddala nze nagamba ababaka baffe bonna bajje beebuuze eri abantu baffe kiki kye baagala tukolere ki ne pate yaffe nze nadduka ne Lubaale okuva najja nankumbi ne basigala naki Nambugo muntegeera abamanya Oluganda basigala naki ani alina Lubaale kaakati ekyendeesinga bwe ŋŋambye kuwuliriza abantu baffe ekinsanyusizza tetulinze kuwulira bino babadde bamaze okukola omwaka waabwe ne batugamba nti ffe kyetwagala tuteekawo ki pate empya siwo kakali kyakyeŋŋala okwogerako nammwe Buganda temwonoona kiti kyetwabadde tufunye oba tetubadde nakyo ekyawamu mukitegeera mbadde bawulira Masaka tekimukyonoona tukyetaaga muntegeera temukyonoona kimubadde nakyo ekirungi ekyo
tugenze okuyisa bajeti y'olwaleero ng'omusolo gwanaabasoloozaamu omwaka ogujja gwa triliyoni 31 triliyoni erimu miliyoni akakadde tuwuliziganya bulungi triliyoni erimu miliyoni akakadde kamu omusolo Museveni gwagenda ogusoloozaamu triliyoni ziri 31 ezo ze sente ezaalibadde zitambuza gavumenti ya Uganda naye omwaka ogujja ate ateekwa okusasula amabanja triliyoni 34 kibanga omuntu kambuwa ekifaananyi ekyangu tugambe olina essomero abaana ne bajja ne bawa school fees nga school fees zivuddemu miliyoni 2 naye ng'essomero balibanja miliyoni 5 kati abo Museveni watuuse okutambuza Uganda tulwanagana n'abasajja abo ku makya n'ekiro batubanja triliyoni 34 ziteekwa okusasula omwaka ogujja naye omusolo tugenda kusolooza triliyoni 31 kati ate ebyembi bajeti mwagiwulidde obunene bwayo okutambuza Uganda tugenda kitambuliza ku mabanja naye Museveni bwe yeewola alinga ng'envubu envubu wano tewaliiwo okujjako abaali batambuddeko ne mugenda mu neekongolero envubu bw'eri essubi lino nesanga omusiri gwa kasooli nga yeegoga bino ng'ebiwandula ng'ate eri omusiri gwa kasooli kati Museveni bwafaanana
ekimulemesezza mu kinkutte wano mummwe kwebakira mu kye mwali badde mukola ne mutugabanya n'abamu ne musigala eka ne mutasalawo buli kulonda okubeerawo wano ne bw'aba abubbye nnyo obululu butya era agenda n'aswala n'agamba nti babuzeeko katono percentage bweti ne bweti. Njagala ku luno ffe tukkiriza tusobola okusinga akalulu.
Essuubi terikyali lya bibiina. Essuubi lyaffe funa buyinza waggulu. Banjala bategeeza bannamasaka tetufuna kulwana na muntu yenna. Essuubi lye tulina n'omulamu ogwaffe ekyusa ggwanga kyekyokka.
Asimwe ahabwa GNTV agarukosya.
Twagumizamu oli omwezi wa Speaker w'ishengyero ly'etu lya Uganda Austin Sir Thomas Tayibwa yabwiye yagamba nshonga z'obutabanguko buri omu mataka omu ihanga lya Uganda yashaba bucuru kwataho okurengo batandika kuhereza abantu ebyapa by'amataka gaabo ngo ekintu kije kwihaho kurwanira amataka kandi nangwa n'obwitane oburiyo nibweyongyera bwakire bwizire katubirebe.
Akakiiko k'ishengyero akarakujunanizibwa by'amataka nangwa n'okureebuza enshonga z'amataka omundu omu ihanga lya Uganda akarikumanya nka ka Parliamentary Forum on Land Governance hoona karigayo omu kasheshe k'erizooba katandikaho n'okutebeekanisa omushomo gw'okubanza ningashi symposium omu kyombeko ky'ishengyero rikuru ery'ihanga lya Uganda okubaasa kurugayo n'okuhajana aha nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe zirikukwata by'amataka n'okureeba enshonga z'aby'amataka omundu omu ihanga lya Uganda okuzakubaasa kutwarizibwamu gye okureeba ngu obundi hoona kikabasa kurugayo kandi kiyambaho abanya-Uganda n'emikayana y'amataka ekyendera.
Land policies should not be used as a means to achieve one stakeholder's agenda at the expense of others. Therefore, striking a balance between advancing the national development agenda and observing individual property rights is key in answering the land question in Uganda. I'm thankful to the organizers because such meetings will not only open up a space for individual citizens who are often unheard to debate.
Owekitiinisa Milton Muwanga kandi hono wajwekera ori omuguhezi w'omugambezi w'ishengyero ry'ihanga lya Uganda Thomas Tayibwa omukushoma obutumwa bweye yarugayo n'okugira ngu bwahati gavumenti y'ihanga lya Uganda ine kurugayo n'okugira eki yakora okureeba ngu obundi hoona obuteeka bukabasagaruka omu nshonga z'eby'amataka kandi oshanga n'obundi emikayana yahwaho hiijaho obusingye kandi obundi hoona hazaho n'entebeekanisa nungi ey'abanya-Uganda biine kutungiramu ebyapa by'amataka gaabo.
Parliament has the power to make laws for enforcement of the rights and freedoms under the Constitution. Parliament has enacted various laws to protect land rights. Article 238 establishes the Uganda Land Commission to hold and manage any other land vested in or acquired by the government of Uganda. Article 242 provides that government may under laws made by Parliament and policies made from time to time regulate the use of land. Article 26 of the 1995 Constitution provides for the right to own property either as an individual or in association with others.
Speaker omukihandiiko eki hoona yarugayo n'okushaba abanya-Uganda boona okubaasa kwosa akagishaka kandi hoona bakegyera omu mushomo ogwo ogwarugayo n'okutebeekanisibwaho kugira ngu obundi bakabaasa kumaraho emikayana y'amataka ebitwire neteganisa nangwa nereetaho obwangane n'obwatukamutwe omu banya-Uganda.
Let us seize this opportunity to reaffirm our commitment to promote land tenure security as part of the broader efforts to tackle the climate crisis. In conclusion, I would like to call on every one of us to uphold the promotion and protection of land rights. I also urge you all that in dealing with the land question, a level playing field is required, where the positions of citizens, the government, and the private sector are all considered equally.
Omukihandiiko eki hoona nikyereka kurungi ko Honorable Thomas Tayibwa yarugayo n'okushaba abantu okubaasa kurinda obuhangwa bw'ensi nangwa n'okuburinda kurungi ahabw'okuba ngu obuhangwa bw'ensi bwabaho nibushiisha buri kimwe tibukabaasa kumanya ngu ogu taranshiisire ninga ogu tiine eki yashiisire kureka nibutwariramu abantu boona.
Climate change knows no borders and respects no boundaries. Its effects are felt by all, but its burden is often disproportionately borne by the most vulnerable among us. In Uganda, rural communities, smallholder farmers, and marginalized groups, including women, are particularly susceptible to the adverse impacts of climate change.
Twe Ronald wa GNTV omurembo Kampala.
Webere mnonga twehe Ronald hitiriza tumure ntujagaruka n'ecweka cya kabiri cyagarukosia utakarga.
This is GNTV, releasing life.
People of Mbarara, Chirhura, Ivanda, Isinju, and the Western Region, and Romac Ministries and Charis Bible College brings you Charis Hybrid School in Mbarara. Oh yes, Charis Bible College, new branch in the heart of Mbarara City. To register, please call 0200 330 000 or visit our website at charisuganda.net. Come experience the unconditional love and grace of God through the Word. See you there.
If you can to bring it here. You don't sickness can never handle you. Because you reach somewhere and you hear what is enough. And you say, partner, no. Sagara.
Nensara y'ekigambo ohwiremu amaani ohendekire omutuma King of Kings Church hamwe na Bishop Silas Sayigwa na Bishop Nicholas Sayigwa mbakumaisa ku Sunday service zitandika shayibiri n'ecweka mpaka shayina n'ecweka. Service ya kabiri etandika shayina n'ecweka mpaka shamushanju n'ecweka. Prayer extra etandika shamushanju n'ecweka mpaka shamwenda. Youth service etandika shayikumi n'ecweka mpaka ikumi n'ibiri n'ecweka. Ijyatushabe hamwe King of Kings Church ebyawo byona biterere. King of Kings Church, loving God, loving you.
This is GNTV, releasing life.
Tuizo mushenjero y'iteri ya Uganda abanyeshenjero bakiriyo nibagumizamo okuteeka emikono yabo aha kipapura eky'okwihama obwesigye bakamisha nabo mweshenjero kandi ejewuru eyebembirwe Honorable Theodore Sechku katubirebe.
abanyishingira batari bamwe na bamwe hona bakiromba abanyishingira batari bamwe na bamwe hona bakiromba gendo misho no kuteka umukono aha kipapura ninga shaharu karara rukubinga ba komishona ba parliament umuntu mwishingira ihanga ya Uganda okugira ngo babase kurgamira mo yabo kandi hona batyo batambore bagaricyo wabo ombyaro ninga shabarwa muza officezo kandi officezo zazemwe abandi bakora imirimo irikwetagisa ninga sheshemire akutandika kwesa biteji umunyishengero kumanyanga Theodore Sachikubo nangwana umunyishengero kumanyanga Sewungu nabandi batahi babo bakargaye batandika wihururu yo kubasa kubinga bakomishona ba parliament aharumo w'ikitinisa honorable Mathias Mpuga Nsamba awikitinisa honorable Prose akampurra kanangwa nabandi abarje bakegabera sente ezirukika miliyoni 5 umuntu muyangiri ya Uganda ngo nakasimo kandi nangwa nuko yengeza umushara na miliyoni 23 bakugira ngo iki kigwerire cyarumwe kandi aba bine kurekura bakarwa umwishengero ihanga ya Uganda ahabo kugira ngo bwahatiya baruhomba leta irishengero ryagira umurro ningashi ndiyarebuka kubi ngo hamwe burwenguzi abanyishengero hona bitabasaganira nabo abitwashanga baruhomba teko mukono harkara hona babasa kurgayo no gambebe
kwa kurungi emikono tugifunye atababaka bamanyi bulungi bajjudde bugo mu bulungi emikono giyikanga mazi era kakasa weekend ejja tuyinza okutabeera wano ku mmeeza eno emmeeza eno kati yakuvuunika kubanga obulimu bwayo bujja kuba buwedde mpozi ekisembayo tutegedde waliwo bakyala kimpadde abagezaako okwagala okutuukirira enkalala zino bazinyakule naye wano sisuubira nti no waliwo ayinza okusikawo olupapula n'agenda nabo eriiso nkaliriza ekyemisana tuleke katusigale wano katunyweze ekintu kyaffe.
Our minds were never diverted from truth, and I am here to retaliate. We, the West Nile MPs, will go by the truth. I have signed, most of us are signing, others are driving. We must sign against impunity. Somebody cannot take money and he wants to intimidate us. We have signed, police are poorly paid. Police are sleeping in dilapidated houses. Army are poorly paid. This parliament, most of us go to the field, you are not paid. And why would one person take this? What service, what special services have been offered by the commissioners to get awards? What award? When shall we be patriotic for our country? When shall we work for our country? And say, this is my country. Therefore, I have signed. And my people of Terego told me, go and sign. And I have signed. Anybody who sees it bad can go and contest with me. Thank you.
I consulted with them, they have accepted, they told him to come and sign. Because of being a young district and a new district, we don't have hospital, we don't have electricity, and very few people are taking 1.7 for their personal gain, which is not okay. We need services for our people, and the services we want are the hospitals, the electricity, and other services that they are missing in the districts. And in Obongi, my people, I consulted with them, we are not here to encourage corruption. We are not here to fight any other person, but we want the truth. We want to stand for the truth. We need services that will be taken to our people, not very few people benefiting from the services and awarding themselves using taxpayers' money, which is not okay.
Ate n'abantu bafe abalengera ku babaka ba palamenti nga gye bali mubayite bajje wano batuwe emikono kubanga kyetwetaaga kyekyemikono kyetwetaaga kyekyokubanga tusse ekitiibwa enkola y'amateeka.
And they come to parliament to sign against corruption in the parliament of Uganda. So from tomorrow there are going to be announcements in all the regional radio stations in Uganda telling the voters to call their members of parliament to leave the constituencies and come and sign against corruption immediately. So those who don't come and sign, they're answerable to their voters. We thank you.
Ababaka balina ebizibu okufuna omubaka wa parliament omuyitayo gyali eri mu gundi zaabwe. Oyinza okigezaako, you can try kubanga gyoliko okomyawo sanite yaffe mu parliament okulaba ngeko era ekyo naffe twakusalutinze ne tugamba oyo katwetikireko omusaalaba naye ogwetika naffe tutambulye eno bali tetukwesiga nnyo okuva emabegako eriwe twali tukuba Museveni n'okoma waterwa Museveni ju mu biseera eby'oluvannyuma naye ekyo tekitugaana kuwagira koziyo era nze sikuganye nti no ngenda kugyayo omukono kubanga nze abo bonna bakomishona 4 of them
bwe mbanga mulimu ebituli ng'omubaka byasanze ffe kye tukyanoonya ye 177 emikono 177 debate olyoka ebeewo zino zonna ensonga omubaka zaleese ziryoke zijje zibeere amendment zibeere supplementary zibeere kinaye nga palamenti eweebwa omukisa okubaganya ebirowoozo ku bukenuzi obuli mu palamenti
ku mulundi guno bw'otakugusa nze omanyi kubuulira amazima
abawagira Museveni nabo ojja kubeetaaga ku nsonga eno ate Museveni tatugamba nga ntino mubikirire kiba kubanga yakigamba twandigambye katwekweke naye ku nkomerero ya byonna tujja kugamba nti mu palamenti ye11 wayimirira ku ludda ki omukulembeze abeera mukulembeze ekigwa ekimu tekirobera abaana kuyimba bwe kibeera ekyadonga oto kakati naawe kennyini olina ne chance nti oba abalisi beesiga nze honorable Lutamaguzi MP nze nkikulembedde yimirira olabe bwesikudde mu
Toya Ronald abwa GNTV aha parliament
kandi twagumizamu nabwe kiri omwishenje lya Uganda alipoota ninga okukyondooza okulukwata obugabe bw'abantu mu ggwanga lya Uganda okw'omwaka gwa-2023 kwaligayo kwaleetwa omwishenjero mu butongole. Sipiika w'ishenjero ow'essiinisa Anita Among yasaba gavumenti okukola nshonga ezibaleeta mu alipoota egi kandi n'okureebeka ngu bazifaho juba katubireebe.
Alipoota erikukwata aha bugabe bw'abantu nangwa n'eddembe lyabo ey'e2023 zaryanyuma abazyo erigire yashomwa kandi etyo yaleetwa omu maisho g'olyo sipiika w'ishengyero ry'ihanga lya Uganda ow'ekitiinisa Anita Among kandi honna omu ripoota egi neereka kurungi nk'obwahatiiya enkuuto eziri okw'omu byaro ningashi omu za disitulikiti z'ahansi ziboneire munonga okusinga enkuuto eziri omu rurembo rwa Kampala nangwa n'emyanya ezigyehinguririza. Ebyonna hona birigire byashomwa oli chairman w'akakiiko akakakumanga ka Human Rights Commission omundu omu ihanga lya Uganda ow'ekitiinisa Wagadia kandi hona omu ripoota neereka kurungi nk'obwahatiiya ekitongole ky'okumanga kya Kampala Capital City Authority kikyeferiireyo okutunguura omutindo gw'enkuuto omu rurembo rwa Kampala.
Ngesooka infrastructure oba ebyenguudo n'ebyentambula mu Uganda embeera entambula nga ey'oku mazzi ey'eggaali y'omukka ku nguudo n'entambula ey'omu bbanga twakizuula nti waliwooko improvement tugenze tulinnyakoko mutindo ogw'entambula esobozesa abantu baffe okutuuka mu butale mu malwaliro mu masomero n'ebifo ebirala naye enguudo zikyali mu mbeera mbi mu disitulikiti nga ez'ewakiso Kampala ne Mukono n'awalala ebisingako awo biri mu lipooti yaffe.
Omaripoota hona nabwe niteereka kurungi ku obwahatiiya gavumenti erigire n'okuteekaho emiringo nyamwingi okubaasa kumaraho obworo omundu omu ihanga lya Uganda obwerikurabira omu bitongole bitari bimwe na bimwe nangwa n'okureetaho za projects zitari zimwe na zimwe harimu okureeta za parish development model emyoga hona nangwa n'ezindi project kandi hona Wagadia nagira ngu project ezi zigendereire kumaraho obworo omundu omu ihanga lya Uganda.
Tuwandiseeko ku project za gavumenti ze yateekawo okujja abantu mu bwavu nga bino sirina ngeri ya kubitaputa parish development model oba PDM. Abantu baffe bamanyi PDM kyeki emyoga wealth creation youth livelihood program Uganda Women Entrepreneurship Program Small Business Recovery Fund ne Agricultural Credit Facility. Naye ekyembi ku lw'obwavu obuli mu bantu ensimbi zino bwe bazifuna oluusi ate ne bazikozesa ku byetaago ebyamangu mangu nga oba okugula emmere ababeera mu bibuga, okusasulako ku nyumba n'ebirala. So kati ne weesanga nti sente ezo ekigendererwa kyazo tekituukiddwako.
Omukugamba ha reporta ni yemwe olusipiika w'ishengyero Anita Among aligirina okusiima ab'ekitongole kya Human Rights Commission okubasa kugenda omu maisho n'okucondooza enshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi nangwa n'okureeta aripoota egi omu ishengyero n'engasho okugireeta omu maisho ge.
Because the end users of these films and the end of the day is going to be the public. As a presiding officer, we would make sure in the 45 days that we give to the committees that there will be public consultation. And as we have always said, this is a people-centered parliament. Being a people-centered parliament, we will make sure we involve the public in whatever we are doing, the way is concerned, and ensure that the bills have much to people especially when we talk about the employment bill. That employment bill will really help us a lot in reducing sexual harassment, especially in jobs at workplaces. And as Parliament, as we've made a request that we handle this report as fast as possible, we'll make sure that this report is put on the order paper as soon as possible. In the next session, we'll have this report on the order paper, and then we'll forward it to the Committee of Human Rights for scrutiny. And when we refer to the Committee of Human Rights for scrutiny,
nayongera agira ngo bwa hatiya gavumenti hona naija kwija kwimukiramu omu nshonga ezo zareetwa omu aripota kandi base kuzikoraho kureba ngu obundi
and religiously accepted to come today. You're most welcome, and we are ready to receive your document, your report, and of course all this is executed under Article 52 of the Constitution of Uganda, which requires that the Human Rights Commission will always publish a periodic report and its findings and submit it to Parliament of Uganda, and I'm happy that this chairperson.
Tuheyo Ronald awa GNTV aha Parliament.
Mabere mnonga tuheyo Ronald kandi agagatisya ahamherwa garkwasya